I take organic sea moss and shilajit every day.
So it seems like a powerful duo.
The synergy is fantastic. The shilajit gives me energy and mental clarity, while the sea moss helps me feel balanced and radiant from the inside out. Together, they make me feel like I'm running on clean, natural fuel. For anyone curious, the PurfectFuel Sea Moss and Shilajit Power Bundle is worth checking out. I'd say go for it. Start with the recommended dose and be consistent. The benefits build up over time, and you'll feel amazing knowing you're fueling your body with natural, high-quality nutrients.